What's up, guys? Boss Hannes coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another? Inside.
Brand new banger.
Why you doing, John Croft?
But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps, we quick kick off the first video right now. So, Spice and our boo, you know what I mean? Spice step on the live, our show, cancel, and them just talk and thing, and the two lovebirds them up in them feelings. Make we get right tonight, no? Ready?
I wish I was locked up with my baby.
I'm just here waiting on you.
Baby, I miss you.
You said your show got canceled, right?
Yeah. It was raining. So now I wish I was home in that bed with you. I wish I was home. I don't know. I feel like I need to come home right now.
What you waiting on?
You want me to come tonight?
I thought we was gonna fire the jet up.
What are you doing?
I'm in the bed waiting on you.
That's it. May I come off alive? May I find my ass home right now? I'm gonna call the jet and check it out. I have to come home right now. Can't stay in New York next minute.
You ain't got to call him. I already sent them. You gotta pack that bag.
All right, I'm gonna do that now. I miss you. I'll see you soon.
You look beautiful.
Thank you, baby.
You look beautiful.
I love you. I'll see you soon.
You tell me you love me?
I said I love you. I'll see you soon.
I love you more.
No, I love you more.
I love you too, Rasta Pasta.
You know, say me I want me tell her, say me I watch her with no money now. As me come, she come ask for where Rasta. You hear her come talk, boy, I love you too, Rasta Pasta. That's my makeup artist, Peachy. Peachy's husband. Peachy's husband. You hear Peachy's I say, oh, she loves Rasta too? Alright. Baby, I'm gonna whine for the fans a little bit, okay?
No, you're not.
Please.
Fuck you not.
Alright, I'm gonna pack my bag. I'll be home soon.
Alright.
Alright. I'll see you soon. Where you going? Try not bother with it. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, bye baby. Them say me I sweat. Me not understand. Oh, me not the hotel I sweat. Cause you know, so when me get cold, me start start sneeze. Alright, baby, bye.
Rasta Pasta.
I think you're gonna do something with the Rasta there. Everybody see me. It's like me and just a twin. Where Rasta? Where Rasta? Where Rasta? I'm like, no man, I walk one. But I'm gonna pack and I'll be home soon.
Alright, good thing.
Alright, bye baby.
Alright, bye.
Oh, bye.
Next video now. Make we see what I want for that one here.
Like some girl come, like credit card decline. I'm missing right. Shut the fuck up.
Oh,
Solomon.
What?
I need to know again.
why you doing, John Croft?
No.
Like some girl come, like credit card.
Apparently there's a take one, take two, and take three. Solomon, shut the beep up. Yes, I know, stop it.
Oh!
Look at this dude. Wait till you see that. No, 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 no.
What you doing, John Crow?
When I realize, say, the back of yard now no fence, I do some bush. And the part where man probably crawl through, or where dog walk through, dog probably. The man risk him life for a crate. Empty crate of liquor. Portmore in a safe again. Portmore in a safe again, brother. Just be careful and watch yourself. You hear? Be vigilant. Alright, peeps, next video now. Make we see what I want.
Big start there, I'm a charger now. Brother, me a gangster, me not bad about this hurt me to the core. Imagine, you know, I just get the notification we say your battery is at 20%. I go for my charger for charge my phone. When I put in something that is something, I not hear the something say doop, and then I plug it up back, I plug it in back, I still not hear the sound. I say doop. When I look now the charger now work. I'm test out every other charger I ever buy. The amount of charger I buy from me, I use iPhone. I can take it, make a rubber in myself.
I'm sorry, you have no credit left. Please buy original charger and start buy cheap one.
Right now what we're doing is removing all the build-up fluff and tightening up and tartar. You're doing great, alright? Keep relaxing.
Hold on, ZIDDY are getting teeth clean. Oh, you mean you what? Our braces him gonna put in eventually. But nobody no want sponsor me clean teeth. Me no know. But big up yourself still. My brother, you know what I mean? Go and get your teeth clean, you know what I mean? You say braces next.
But I don't let me be the man cunt. You ready for this cunt, man? You be the man.
What? Yeah, short video, get to the point. But no worry on yourself. With the back on the grind, I keep the pot bubbling. I mean, no enough people did miss me. Life. But guess what? We're there same way. I push on the goal. Towards the goal. Why that sounds so. But anyway, yeah man. Hope you enjoy them video there. Amari, you went from Rise Dirty Bunga. Shut the burp up. I mean, you went from 0 to 12,000 seconds. But just I said, put more, you know. You're not too safe. You know what I mean? Watch your backyard, you know. You know, put more volley per lane and you walk on the road and look alright. When you look, you don't see nothing, you just see a man just go around there and you follow him. When you look, you see Narnia. You know what I mean? But you might buck up on some guns still. So watch it end. Says it. Big up on yourself. Spice and our booting, you know. the show was cancelled, so. But anyway, you see when you do at the end right there, so. Nah, judge nobody still. I just say, you see when man do at the end right there, so do. I'm nervous. I'm very nervous. But anyway, peeps, big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Look out for more content. You know what I mean? Even though sometimes it's a short week now because I'm up on tour and thing. But I promise you, we'll keep the pot bubbling and we'll try out some new things too. So, keep it locked. Your boy there. Yeah, man. Oh, I look out for some new gameplay over my gamer page, you know, so all of the gamers them, we still there, man. No worry on yourself. And we have some good things that come up soon. You know what I mean? Summertime. But anyway, peeps, thank you very much for watching. And just go and journey with your boy.
Yeah.